What's going on, people? It's your brother Conscious Black. Back again with another short, man. Got my dog a little harnessed here. Go ahead and take a walking. I want y'all to tell me what you think. It's my war dog. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap him up. So y'all let me know in the comments if you like this on him or not. I think it looks groovy myself. You gotta be sharp. You can't have a dog, he ain't sharp. So, what's up, boy? You ready, boy? He ready. He's ready. He's ready. So just let me know what y'all think, man. About to go on a walk. Boy getting bigger and bigger. Patience power, man. Till next time. Peace.